Hi, I'm Todd Ferguson, the manager of Auto Clearing Collision Center. Today in our Body Shop educational video we like to call Body Shop 101, we're going to talk about windshield replacements. So you're driving down the highway and that nasty little rock hits your windshield and puts a nice big crack in it. You may say some nasty words, you may think some nasty words. Your next thought should be, well, what do I do now? We try and make it simple for you. Just give us a call here at Auto Clearing. What we're going to ask for is your SGI package policy number. If you do carry additional insurance through an alternate insurance company like Sask Mutual Insurance or Wawanesa, and of course there's several other companies you may deal with, SGI being the most common. What we're going to ask for is that policy number with any insurance company that you deal with. We will then ask for an approximate date of loss, in other words when the windshield broke or when that nasty little stone hit it. From that stage we will do all of our SGI paperwork on this end. There's no need for you to contact SGI or anything to do with SGI as far as the windshield replacement. From that stage we're going to order in a factory OEM windshield, providing it meets the criteria, but in most cases it does. When that windshield arrives, we're going to give you a call. From that stage, we'll book it in. We need the vehicle generally for about 6 hours or so, just to allow the adhesive to dry for the windshield. From that stage, you're going to pick it up, and the only difference you're going to find is the crack is gone. So it's as simple as that, really. Give us a call, have your policy number available. Of course, you're going to know when that nasty little rock hit your windshield, and we'll take care of it from here. And it's about that easy to do. And like I said, from that stage, you've got a nice new glass to look through, and of course, no more cracks. Thanks, take care. Thanks for watching. Please help us to share and of course like this video so we can help educate everyone as to how easy it is to get your windshield replaced here at Auto Clearing Collision Center. And most importantly, during this tough time, take care. Thanks for watching.